How to apply for food stamps in Arizona. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in Arizona, guiding you through the steps to access vital assistance. To apply, visit the Arizona Department of Economic Security website and create an account on the Health Arizona Plus portal. You'll need to complete the application with the information about your household, income, and expenses. You can also apply by visiting a local Family Assistance Administration office. After submitting your application, you may need to attend an interview. Now that you know how to apply for food stamps in Arizona, you can move forward with your application.